Hey, this is Josh Elisa here. So we're out here in dealing with Winter Storm Bruce in southeast Nebraska, and I'm about ready to jump out of my truck and just show y'all what it's like out here. It's pretty windy, it's still snowing, and it's cold. That's pretty much what a winter storm is. But we're gonna jump out of the truck here, and I'm just gonna show you how windy and what a winter storm really is. I mean, not much to it. More like you should probably stay inside. Just saying, we're gonna jump out. Well, let's go. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. I can see right there. That's what it does. It's big old snow drifts and everything. So we got about, I'd say probably about a 30-mile-per-hour wind right now, with some gusts up to about 40, maybe just a little bit more. So I'm gonna shut the door, we're gonna step away and look at this real quick. Big old cornfield right on their side of it.